Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by inspecting what Python is already using because you must know the baseline. Run the Python command to print sys, path, and the executable. This tells you which folders and binary are active. Once done, pick whether you need a temporary environment tweak or a permanent profile change. Make sure to note the shell profile file you'll edit, bashrc or zshrc, or whether you will adjust the system path for all users. These facts guide the exact edits. Now you perform the actual modification, and you'll see why the method matters. For a temporary change, export Python path in your shell session. That affects only the current terminal and is safe for testing. For a persistent change, append the export line to your shell profile and then source it so new shells inherit the path. On Windows, use setx to write the environment variable to your user profile and restart the shell. This ensures Python imports the new directories consistently. Finish by verifying the change and knowing how to recover if something breaks. Run Python and print sys. Path, your added directory should appear, preferably earlier in the list so imports resolve to your code. If imports still fail, check for typos, file permissions, and whether a virtual environment is overriding settings. If necessary, revert by removing the export from your profile or unsetting Python path and restart the shell. This step prevents downtime and shows you exactly why the change worked or didn't.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.